In this lesson, you're going to assemble your panels. To do this, you need to insert each of the panels into an assembly, which is at the bottom of your screen. You should say Assembly 1. In this video, I create an assembly to show you how to do this. When your screen opens, you will see a blank screen with a small dot in the middle. This is the origin point. You then need to go to the menu at the top and choose Insert. We need to select the correct parts, so click on the arrow to expand, and there you will see panel 1, panel 2 and your acrylic windows. Select panel 1. As you move your mouse, you will see that the panel moves around the window. Left mouse click to place the panel. When you have done that, it will turn blue-grey. Now select panel 2. Move the mouse over your window, and again you will see a yellow panel 2 floating around the screen. Left mouse click to place the panel. This one turns grey. We need 2 of each of the panels to make our box. So click again on panel 1 and bring in another copy. It doesn't matter where you place this, and again repeat the same for panel 2. You now need to change the orientation of 2 of the panels to be at 90 degrees to the original panels. The reason for this is so that they slot together. But before we do that, you need to right-click on panel 1 and choose Fix from the menu. This stops the panel moving around. You can see or tell that it's been fixed in the model tree on the left-hand side. Next, we need to change the orientation of panel 2. To do this, just click on the panel. You will see 3 arrows with circles at the end and a small arc. This allows you to move the panels around the screen, but also to rotate the panels through 90 degrees. If you select the horizontal arrow and at the end of that the circle and move your mouse with the left button held down, you can see that you can turn the panel through 90 degrees. You're now ready to join the 2 parts together. In order to do this, we're going to use something called a planar mate. This is at the top of our screen. If you hover over the icon, you will see planar mate. Select this with the left mouse button. The box needs to be completed, but we can do this by selecting the correct faces. The face that we want is this one in here. However, we can't pick it correctly. So what we need to do is hold down our right mouse button on the cube and spin our work around so that we can pick the face. You will probably find it easier to zoom in, and what you need to do is select the face in exactly the middle when you see the blue, red and green lines with the circle around. Left mouse click. When you left mouse click, you will see that the part turns to yellow. Zoom out. Now you need to pick the matching face of the other panel. In order to do this, use the cube to spin it round and zoom in to the face. Again, only left mouse click when you can see in the middle. both the parts have now been perfectly mated or aligned together. If you zoom out, you should see the two parts together. You then need to accept this by clicking on the green tick to accept, and also at the top left of your screen, click on the red X to close the planar mate. We now need to add the next panel in to mate with the right face. So again, repeat that process by selecting the planar mate. Again, zoom in to make it easier to select the correct face once you've picked the planar mate. Make sure you select the middle of the face. The part will turn yellow once you have selected it. Then, using the cube on the right hand side and your right mouse button, spin your work around so you can zoom in to select the corresponding face. Left mouse click to select this and the two parts will join together. Click on the green tick to accept. Now finally, you need to add in the last part. The process to do this is exactly the same.